All right, so hello, good morning. Nice to see you, Luke, Hannah, Sophia, and Tom. Okay. All right, so last class we learned this one, right? So we learned to describe the picture. So we did we did speaking last time. So again, for review, okay, let's recap that one. So we are going to tell a story, right? So let's review Luke, Hannah, Sophia, and Tom. Okay, so let's discuss this, everybody. How do we say this? Everybody, let's read. Ready, go. In picture one, everybody read. Let's read together. All will read. In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents. Yes, Hannah, please read.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents.
Yes. Okay. All right, so that's good. How about Luke? Luke, please read.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents.
Okay, let's have Sophia. Please read, Sophia.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents.
Okay, good. How about Tom?
In picture
Tom?
one, girl is walking back home and thinking about her birthday present.
Okay, good. All right, so that's how you say it. So that's picture one. Okay, so I want you to remember, since we are going to review the speaking, okay, of the story. So you are going to um share the story again. All right, let's have the next picture, picture two. Okay, so look at the picture. So we can see there in picture two, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prepare for her birthday. Okay, let's start with Tom. Please read, Tom. Tom, I want you to read. Okay, let's have Sophia. Sophia, please read.
In picture two, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not help her for her birthday.
Okay, let's have Hannah.
In picture two, when she got home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not anything for her birthday.
Okay. How about Luke? Please read.
In picture two, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prepare for her birthday.
Okay. All right. So that's how you do it. Next. Okay, so look at the picture. Okay, let's read. In picture three, Claire's family and friends surprise her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, please read. Tom.
In picture three, family and friends surprised her with a birthday
Surprised.
cake. Surprised her with a birthday cake and present, and she was very happy.
Okay. All right, that's good. Next. Okay, let's have this one. Sorry. Let's have first Sophia. Sophia, please read picture 3.
In picture 3, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and present, and she was very happy.
Okay. All right, that's good. Next, let's have Hannah.
In picture 3, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and gifts, and she was very happy.
Okay, good. How about Luke?
In picture 3, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy.
Okay. All right. How about Luke? Luke, please read picture 3.
In picture 3, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy.
All right. So there you go. So that's for picture 3. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, let's look at this picture. Okay, let's have picture 4. So in picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party. Okay, so that's for picture 4. Okay, let's read. Let's start with Hannah. Okay, Hannah.
In picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay, so there you go. So that's for picture 4. Okay, let's have Sophia. Please read picture 4.
In picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay, so that's picture 4. Okay, let's have uh Luke. Please read Luke.
In picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay. So that's for picture 4. How about David? David, please read.
In picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay. All right. Miss Mai, some students are here from pre-starters. I think the classes are mixed already. Hello, Miss Mai, can you hear me? Okay, for a while, David. Okay, others. Okay, Thaian is not supposed here. Thaian. This is for movers class.
Ái Thi ơi, Ái Thi con out ra cái link này giùm cô nha. Hôm nay con nghỉ một hôm nha Ái Thi. Thì cô gọi cho mẹ. Ái Thi ơi, con out cái link này ra giùm cô nha. Hôm nay con nghỉ một hôm ha. Okay, you can start now.
Is this the new student, Onion? What's the English name? Onion?
Ừ.
Hello, Onion. What's your English name?
An Nhiên, con đặt tên tiếng Anh của con đi An Nhiên. You can call her. You can call. Let me see which name.
Maybe I can call her May as an English
May.
name.
Okay, yes, May.
Okay,
Okay.
May. So May. So
Yes.
Onion, your English name is May. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So welcome to the class, May. Ben, can you open your camera, your video? Please open your video, Ben. Yeah, just like your other classmates, they are opening their video. Okay, so there you go, Ben. I think the other one, Miss Mai, Tyann, I think she's from pre-starters.
I know. I will call her mother.
Yeah, I will remove her now from the class.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so everybody, let's continue our practice. So again, let's look at picture 4. Okay, as you can see there. Okay, give me a second. Ayan. Okay, so again, Luke, Hannah, Sophia, Tom, David, May, and Ben. Okay, so we are now reviewing our speaking practice. So last time we did this one, so we were able to describe the picture. Okay, so now we are going to review because you are going to repeat. You are going to say it again. Okay. So again, let's look at the 4 pictures and let's practice. So like what I said last time, you are going to practice to say the pictures, okay? So last meeting or last class, we are done with this, but we are going to review, okay? For May, you just have to listen first and practice, okay? All right. So let's start. Okay, I will pick a name, all right? So I will be making a name first, just like what we did last time. So we did picking of names. So please get ready everybody. I want you to prepare. I want you to practice. Luke, Hannah, Sophia, Tom, David, Ben. Okay? So please practice the picture and then I will call one by one for speaking. Okay, so give me a second. I'll making some names. Okay, while waiting for me, I want you to practice now, okay? So practice how to say the 4 pictures.
Nói là em chưa hiểu thầy nói như thầy hỏi thầy con là tiếng Anh đó. Ừ.
Câu trả lời tiếng Anh bạn cho khi hiểu thầy hỏi gì á thì con trả lời tiếng Anh thôi, tự trả lời đi.
All right, so we are 7 here in the class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so except May, May, you will just observe first, okay, how they will do it. So after that, you are going to practice as well. So David, Ben, Tom, Sophia, Hannah, and Luke will do the speaking practice. So you are going to describe the picture. Okay, so I'll stop my sharing and I will share again. Okay, so everybody, let's practice now, or let's do the speaking practice. So we will pick now. I will pick, or teacher will pick. Okay. All right. So I'll pick a name first. So May, you are not included in the practice since you just came in. Okay. So I just want you to listen, May. Okay, so Luke, Hannah, Sophia, Tom, David, Ben. Okay, let's now pick. All right, so let's have Sophia. Sophia, let's now do. Okay, let's now do the speaking practice of the 4 pictures. So this is Claire's birthday. Okay, ready? Go.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents. In picture two, when she arrived at home and she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not help her for her birthday.
Mm-hmm.
In picture three, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy. In picture four, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Tìm hiểu lại dần thầy hỏi nè.
Okay, that's good, Sophia. But Sophia, next time, do not read, okay? Everybody, you should not read. You should look at the pictures and then say, because I can see here you are reading, okay? So do not read, do not be dependent on your copies. Okay, let's have the next person. Okay, so let's have Hannah. So Hannah, it's your turn. Okay, let's have the pictures. Ready, go.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday gifts. In picture two, when she got home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not anything for her birthday. In picture three, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and gifts, and she were very happy. In picture four, Claire and her friend were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay, very good. But still, you are reading, Hannah. So for the next person, do not read. Let's practice, okay? Let's practice saying using your memory, okay? Your thinking. Okay, let's have the next person. Okay, David. So, David, it's your turn. Okay, David, ready? Go.
Is the picture one clear? Though the house out thinking about the birthday gifts. In the picture two clear sad because mother and family not 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 wish present a birthday present in the picture three clear
Picture 3, Claire
in the
was
picture
surprised.
clear in the light
Surprised.
right because
Was surprised by his family and
family and friend
mm,
friend the birthday cake. Individual for Claire and her friend Dan and sing in the birthday party.
okay, they were dancing and enjoying the birthday party. Okay, David. So that's a good try. Let's have the next person. Okay, we have Tom. Okay, Tom, it's your turn. Ready? Start. Tom, your microphone. Tom, your microphone.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday present. In picture two, when she at home, she left sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prefer for her birthday. In picture three, class, family and friends surprise her with a birthday cake and present, and she was very happy. In picture four, Grace and her friend were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay, so you're also reading, Tom. Okay, next time, no reading. All right. Okay, let's go to the next person. Okay, so we have Ben. And the last is Luke. Okay, Ben, it's your turn. Where are you, Ben? Kindly open your video. Ben, please open your video. Hello, Ben. Where are you? Hello, Ben. Ben. Okay, let's have first Luke, then Ben is the last. Okay, Luke, are you ready? Okay, start.
Yes. In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents. In
Mm-hmm.
picture two, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts, and her family did not prepare for her birthday. In picture three, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy. In picture four, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoy their birthday party.
Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, let's have Ben. Where are you, Ben? Okay, Ben, it's your turn. Describe the pictures. Ready? Start. Ben, your microphone. Okay, ready? Start.
In picture one, Claire is walking in home. She is
Thinking about her.
thinking about the gift.
Okay. In picture two.
In picture two, Claire on in her home. She is
Mm-hmm.
sad because the family no donuts the gift. In picture three, Claire is happy. Is friend and family is a gift. In picture four, Claire and friend is dancing on the party.
Okay, so there you go. That's a good try, Ben. So Ben, I want you to have more practice. Okay, next time. Okay, so there you go. That's the four pictures, May. So May, you already saw the four pictures. Now, May, I want you to practice also. So let's read May. I want you to read the pictures. Okay, so May, can you read in picture one? May, open your microphone. In picture one.
In picture one, Clay is walking back home and thinking about her birthday
Presents.
presents.
Okay, birthday presents. We can also say birthday gifts. Okay, so she was thinking about her birthday gifts. Okay, gifts. All right, and then you say Claire. 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 Can you follow? Claire.
Claire.
Okay, one more time, May. Ready? In picture one.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday gifts.
Okay, don't forget the word is. Claire is. Okay, do not say in. Claire in thinking. Claire is thinking. Okay? All right, so let's go to the next. Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, let's go to picture two. Okay, look at picture two. Okay, let's say, May, in picture two. Okay, listen first to teacher. In picture two, uh, in picture two, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts. There were no gifts, and her family did not prepare for her birthday. Okay, it's your turn, May. Ready? Please read.
In picture two, when she arrived
Arrived. Arrived.
at home, she
Again. Arrived.
arrived.
Okay, you follow teacher. You say the word arrived.
Arrived.
Okay, say it again in picture two.
In picture 2, when she arrived at home, she was shocked because my go out.
Okay. She felt sad. Felt sad.
Felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prepare for her birthday.
Okay, that's good. So did not prepare. Okay, so you pronounce that prepare. Prepare.
Prepare.
Okay, can you follow? Prepare. Prepare. Okay. Next. All right, that's good. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Picture 3. Okay, so you listen to teacher May. In picture 3, Claire's family and friends surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, or you can also say gifts. And she was very happy. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ready, go.
In picture 3, Clay's family and friends
Surprised.
surprised her with a birthday cake and presents, and she was very happy.
She was.
She was very happy.
Okay, good, May. Okay, let's go to picture 4. Okay, so you listen first. In picture 4, Claire and her friends were dancing and they enjoyed the birthday party. Okay, go.
In picture 4, Clay and her friends were dancing and there enjoyed the birthday party.
Okay, that's good. So that's how you do it, okay? So for the 4 pictures, you will practice this next class, okay? So you just have to remember how to describe the pictures, May. Okay? So this time, everybody, Hannah, Sophia, Tom, David, May, Ben, Luke. Okay, I want you to listen now. Listen to teacher. Let us now learn another lesson. Okay, so we are going to learn the odd one out. Okay, the odd one out. So odd means you are going to remove, okay, or get or erase that is not belong in the group. That's odd out, okay? So let us have this picture. So look at the picture, for example. So what can you see here on the picture? What is this? What is this, David? Do you know what fruit is this? It's a
It's a watermelon. Lemon.
no, it's lemon. Okay, David, it's lemon. Okay, how about picture 2? What is this?
It's a pineapple.
Okay, very good. Pine. It's a pineapple. Okay. Picture 3, what's this?
It's a book.
Okay, book. Then picture 4, what's this?
It's a orange.
Okay, it's an orange, but it's yellow color, right? Or not so yellow, not so orange. Okay, so these are the pictures. We have lemon, pineapple, book, and orange. Okay. All right. So this time we are going to odd one out. So what do you think? Which one does not belong in the group? Sophia, what do you think? Which one does not belong in the group? Which one does not belong? Sophia.
I don't know.
Okay. Which one does not belong in the group? This one, what is this? Is this a fruit? Yes, everybody? This one also is a fruit. Okay? This one is also a fruit. This one, the book. Is this a fruit?
No. No.
No. Okay, so therefore, this one should not belong in the group. Okay? So we are going to, okay, this is not belong in the group because this one, and this, these are fruits. Okay? So this one is odd in the group. Okay, so how do we say it? Everybody, let's listen. I want you to listen to teacher first. I will read. In pictures 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay? So since this is speaking class, this is a speaking practice, we are going to speak and describe the picture. Okay? All right, everybody, let's read together. Okay, let's start. Let's have first. Let's start with Hannah. Okay, Hannah, I want you to read in picture 1.
In picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A melon, a pineapple, and an orange.
Lemon. Hannah. Okay, read slowly. Okay, in pictures. Don't forget
In
that.
picture.
Okay, and then lemon. It's not
Lemon.
watermelon. Okay, it's lemon. Okay, again in pictures. Ready, go.
In picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But in picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, there you go. Let's have Sophia. Sophia, please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay. All right, that's good. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruits. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is a old one out.
Okay. Let's have May. Okay, May, please read.
I go out.
Okay. Yes, May, it's your turn. Ready, go.
In picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a
Pine, apple.
pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the old one out.
All right. So there you go. So that's the picture. Okay. Let's go to Ben. Okay, Ben, it's your turn. Please read the answer. Pictures 1. Ben.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is a old one out.
Okay, is the odd. Okay, odd one out. Okay, good. Let's have Luke. Luke, it's your turn. Let's have David first. Luke is out. Okay, David, it's your turn. Ready, go. David. Okay, David, it's your turn. Ready, go. David. Hello, David. Can you hear me? David. Okay, David, it's your turn. Pictures 1 and 2. David. Hello, David. Hello, David. Hello, David. Okay, let's have Luke. Luke, it's your turn. Okay, please read.
Bitter, bitters 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But bitter 3 is a book. Bitter 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's have Luke. Sorry, let's have David. David. Hello, David. David, can you hear me, David? Okay, it's your turn now, David. Pictures 1 and 2. David, your microphone. David, your microphone. David, your mic. Turn on your mic. I cannot hear you, David. David? David, I cannot hear you. Hello, David. Hello, Anna. Can you turn on your video? Anna? Hello, Anna.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so you can turn on your video while
Yes.
having the class. Okay, let's read, Anna. Look at the picture. So we are going to add one out. So add one out. Okay, please read, Anna. Pictures 1.
Bitter 1, 2, and 4 are fruit.
Fruit.
Lemon,
Are fruit. Are fruit.
fruit. A lemon,
Pineapple.
an apple. And in orange, picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 in the out
Odd.
one out.
Okay, we pronounce that odd. Odd one out. Okay. David. Can you hear me, David? It's your turn. Pictures 1 and 2. David, there's no sound. What happened? Hello? Okay, so this time let's practice. Okay, so you can also say this one. Oh, you can't turn on your mic? What happened? Okay, how about this, David? Can you turn on now? Okay, we can also say pictures 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. Okay, but picture 3 is a book. Okay, picture 3 is the odd. Picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay, we can also say like that. Okay, so we can also say that answer pictures 1 and 2 and 4 are fruit, but picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay, so let's practice, everybody. Okay, so I want you to practice. I want you to describe the pictures. Okay, let's start with Hannah.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, you're reading Anna. Okay, Hannah, you're reading. So do not read, just look at the pictures and describe. Okay, let's have Sophia.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. Picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is a one out.
Okay, good. Very good, Sophia. You remember that. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, describe the picture. Tom. Tom, describe the picture, Tom. In pictures 1, 2, and 4, Tom. Hello, Tom. Are you listening? Okay, describe the picture. Okay, let's have May. Okay, I will go back to you, Tom. May, I want you to describe the picture.
In picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But in picture 3 is book. In picture 3, there are one out.
Okay, so picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out. Picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay? All right, so let's have Tom. Tom. Tom, describe the picture. Pictures 1, 2, and 4 are Tom. Tom. Okay, let's have Luke. Luke, describe the pictures.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is odd one out.
Okay, picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay?
Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay. And don't forget to pronounce the word orange. Do not say orange. Orange. It's orange. Okay?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Let's have Ben. Ben, it's your turn. Describe the picture.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 is fruit. And picture 3 is a book.
Picture 3 is the odd.
A book
Picture 3 is the odd one out.
is on one out.
Okay, again, picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay, let's have David. David, can you open your microphone? Try to enter again, David. You can enter again, okay? Maybe there's something wrong with the audio. Okay, let's have Anna. Anna, let's describe the pictures. Ready, go.
In 1, 2, and 4 are white. A lemon and
And a pineapple.
a pineapple
And
is
orange.
an orange. It pictured a book got out.
Okay, so there you go. All right. So everybody, let's enter again. Okay. So I want you to enter again in this meeting since our time is up. Okay. So enter again. Okay, everybody. Please enter again. Please enter again. Okay. So teacher will end the class. Please go back. Okay. Enter again. Okay. I'll wait for you. All right, so everybody, again, so the book is the odd one out. So picture 3 is the odd one out. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Okay, let's look at the picture. Let's identify. Okay, what is this? What picture? What kind of animal is this? What animal is this? Anyone? Do you know what's this? Okay, what is this? This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay, picture 2. What is that? Picture 2.
Picture 2 is a penguin.
Yes, very good, Sophia. It's a penguin. What is picture 3?
It's a pear.
Okay, that is a bear. Okay. So it's a bear. How about picture 4? What's that?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Very good, Sophia. So that's rabbit. Okay, everyone, let's look at the pictures with the name of the animal. Okay, kangaroo. Everybody say kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Hannah, Sophia, Luke, Ben, Anna, Tom, and May. Okay,
Kangaroo.
everybody say kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Okay, the next one is penguin.
Penguin.
Okay,
penguin,
everybody say penguin.
penguin,
Penguin. Okay, penguin.
penguin,
Okay, next bear.
rabbit,
Bear.
bear,
Rabbit.
rabbit,
Okay, so one more time. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
penguin,
Penguin.
penguin,
Bear.
bear,
Rabbit.
rabbit,
Rabbit.
rabbit.
Okay, so that's it. Now let's describe the picture. Okay, how do we say it? In pictures 1, 3, and 4. Okay. Pictures 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. Okay, have you noticed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs only. Okay? Picture 2 is the odd one out. So this is odd one out. Okay? Everybody, let's practice. Okay, let's start with May. May, can you please read? Pictures 1. May,
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are
animals.
picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
But picture 2, a
May I go
Penguin.
out?
penguin
Yes.
has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the old one out.
Okay, how do you say this? Penguin.
Penguin,
Penguin.
penguin.
Okay. Let's have Tom. Tom, please read. Tom.
In picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay. All right. Let's have Anna. Anna.
1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs, a kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. In picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one.
Okay, that's correct. Let's go to Ben. Ben, open your video. Okay, Ben,
Picture
I want you to
1,
read.
picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is a old one out.
Okay. Let's have Luke. Luke.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay. Let's have Sophia.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the old one out.
Okay. Let's have Hannah.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the old one out.
Okay. All right, that's good, everybody. Okay, so let's now practice. Okay. You can also say in a simple way, pictures 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. But picture 2 is a penguin. But picture 2 is a penguin with 2 legs. Okay? With 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out. Okay, we can also say this one. Very simple. Okay? So it's other way of saying picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. But picture 2 is a penguin with 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out. Okay? But if you will go with the first one, if you will go with the first description, this one, it's okay. All right? It's also good. Okay, this time let's describe. Let's describe the picture. Let's start with you, Hannah.
In picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But
Mhm.
picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the owl one out.
Okay, good. But you're reading, okay? You are just reading your copy. Again, as what I said, do not read. Okay, let's go to Sophia.
Picture 1, 2, picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. But in picture 2 is a penguin with 2 legs. Picture 2 is the old one out.
Okay, good. Let's have Luke.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin, 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, good. Let's have Ben. Man, describe the picture.
In picture 1, 3, 4, the animal is 4 legs. In picture 2, the that is a 2 leg.
Okay. Picture 2 is the odd
On on
odd
one
one out. Okay. Let's have Anna.
In picture 1, 3, 4, which animal? A kangaroo, bear, and rabbit. Rabbit has has
has 4 legs?
Has one leg. Picture 2 or 1 out.
Okay, picture 2 is a penguin with 2 legs. So picture 2 is the odd one out. Okay, more practice, Anna. Okay, Ben also more practice. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, describe the picture. Ready? Start.
In picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, good. Let's have May.
In picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. In picture 2 is 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay. So you're also reading, May. Next time, no reading. Okay. So I want you to practice describing the picture. Okay, so there you go, everybody. All right. So again, do not read, you practice. Okay, let's go to the next picture. So look at the 4 pictures. Okay, let's describe the 4 pictures. Let's have the first one. What do you think is the boy doing? Washing? Washing?
The
With
hand.
the hand.
Washing his hands.
Washing.
Okay, how about picture 2? What is the girl doing in picture 2?
Washing her face.
Washing her face. Okay, how about picture 3? Taking a
Taking
bath
a bath.
or shower.
Shower.
Okay,
Shower.
next picture. Picture 4 is drinking.
Drinking juice.
Okay, drinking juice. All right, so that's drinking juice. Okay, so which one do you think is the odd one out? Which one is odd one out? Is it picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which one does not belong in the group? Mm-hmm. Which one? Is it picture
4.
1? Is it picture 2? Picture 3?
Picture
Picture
4.
4?
Picture 4.
Picture? Yes,
4.
Via. Picture 4?
Picture 4.
Okay, picture 4 is odd one out. Okay, so let's try to check. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, everybody listen. Pictures 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts. Okay, so hands, face, head. Okay, washing the head. Washing hands, face, and head. But picture 4, she is sitting down and drinking a glass of juice. Picture 4 is the odd one out. Okay, so there you go. So that's our practice. So since it's already time, everybody, our time is already up. So we will continue doing our speaking practice next class. Okay? So Sophia, Luke, Ben, Anna, Tom, May, and Hannah, you practice. Okay? So more practice and no reading next time. All right? So that ends our class for today. Thank you so much and have a nice Sunday. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.